But Loveena, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed this as a new era in relations. But it's always difficult, the nuts and bolts of these kind of deals. How will the deal between the EU and India reduce tariffs? What exactly are they looking at?
So it is quite funny because this is what I felt, that the UK-India trade deal got scotch to India. This one is getting luxury cars and wines to India. But on the other hand, for India, it is not only just make in India. So India has this big thing about make in India, but this is also make in India plus serve by India and manufacturing in India. So it's going to show up in showrooms, so in the form of luxury cars from Europe, and it gets the big market and many other things. For India, it's of course gems and hospital tech. But let me just zoom out a little bit from the numbers and say what's happening here is, and how it is a win-win, is because EU gets access to the big market. India gets mobility and service outsourcing to the EU. So for example, in India, there is very high level of skill and talent. It's 1.55, if I remember right, million people, just engineers being educated and graduating annually. So they get the IT, the design, the architecture, they get the skills can be transported as well. And India gets not only just by giving access to EU, it is also asking manufacture here, innovate here. So it's mobility of service and business, but also of making technology exchange. So it's going to show up in showrooms in the form of cars, manufacturing in the form of flows, and also hospital tech and a pharma is a big place where they'll do the exchange. But I will leave with just one bit, which is behind this whole trade and global market and all of that is also a very important strategic exchange of security and intelligence, which is quite important as well, which is not another time to talk. But this is definitely a win-win deal. One gets the market, the other gets make, manufacture and mobility.